Hello, my people. Now, wow, see this thing when I buy am for TikTok. Oh. Make I tell you now one thing when it happen. As I buy this traveling bag, because the way when I see am for, the way when I take put am for the cat lodge, me I can't dey expect three big ones. No be the van bring am come, I dey wait for the three. He only come bring one. Now I begin dey wait oh. Make I not talk like say even if I dey for UK, not be all their English I dey understand oh. In most cases I go dey laugh. I no know wetin dey talk because different people with different their accent. Na so e just come door. Open, I open. He talk one I say okay, okay, okay. Now I begin open my door. As I wait. Code won't kill my enemy. I say, make I go upstairs, make I go check. I not see van again. He don't go. I say, hey. They don't carry by myself. I don't carry by myself. Throw away money. Now I say, make I come. Make I come open am. Then I see wetin dey inside. As I don't wait, tire. The man no come. Now I close the door. I say, make I come open am. If e not complete, this one, I don't show am. Na be this. I buy am for TikTok. Make I see wetin dey inside. My people, if you never follow my video, follow my channel. Wetin you dey wait for now? Follow my video, like and share. That's all we open am. Me I dey expect big one. Say na so e big. Say e go big well well. In fact, no be the thing when I even, no be the one when I see. No be dem bring come for me oh, no be so e be. Say oh, make I follow. Comot am. But the thing heavy sha o. See am oh. Hey. Now wow. Make I see. Now dey see am. Now dey see am. See am. Me I dey expect say e go big well well. Yeah. Anything not dey for inside again. My people, see oh. Anyway, not too bad though. I understand. Now that one when they do whatever, when they carry the waka, they will just dey roll and they go like that. Now it be this so. Make I follow back for inside. If I say they put the three together for inside, now I make can just bring one. If I talk am small, now no rush. Go explain to me say now so it be oh. Say everything dey inside. Make I for stop to close my door. I can't dey wait for am. Now when I not see her, now I can't go open door. Go up, go check whether e still there. As I see say not there. I run by myself. Come back. See that one I want. Okay, the three day for inside. Oh, that's good. Now 4 weeks oh. Now 4. See I student talk say you know heavy. Yeah. I usually one of my hand carry. See oh. Now talk as they talk. Now so it be oh. Now so it be see. Now so it be oh. Now so it true be oh. My people, we don't buy box. Now the money to go holiday now remain. I remain oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, those things when they for inside. Yeah. As they show and I saw it be shower. We cannot lie. I saw it be. Okay. No bad though. You know bad. Yeah, I say this one. You know too heavy. We don't buy box. I not ready for holiday. But where the money? Yeah, mo. It's not bad. Oh, that's good. Now as they talk, sha. Yeah, as they talk, now so it be. As I talk, no difference. It's true. See? for inside here. Yeah. Not too heavy. It's light. So I don't ready for my holiday. Yeah, more. It's not bad. It's true. It's not heavy. I like it. I love it. And it's not too expensive. But guess how much? You know, rich 1.5. No rich. Yeah. So the cut. Yeah. Me, I don't ready. Oh, where the money? This one are the third one. And the third one be this. This one are for cabin. Wow. Yeah. Not bad. Okay, open now. Here you will come set your code by yourself. Okay. Open now. Not really for inside. As they talk, not true. Not true, shall. It's true. So fine gone. Very beautiful and light. I like it. Now the part when it make me funny, panic now be that as it drop now one, me dey expect 3 big ones. Hey, I say this house go full when they bring am. I don't know say everything go there for inside one, which is really good. Yeah, very cheap. It's not bad at all. I buy the 3 of them. I buy £100. 100. Like I talk am. I be I no fit talk am. Not so bad. Yeah. Yeah, move. If you see this bag for airport, na me get am. If you see na me, na dey travel. Yeah. Okay. All right, people. Now stay beautiful. Now bye bye.